Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to install the latest version of PHP on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for PHP. Click on the official website, which is php.net. Once you're there, click the Downloads menu. You'll see the current version at the top. Scroll down and you'll find two download options, thread-safe and non-thread-safe. We need the thread-safe version. Click the zip file to download it. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Right-click and extract it. After it finishes, you'll see a folder with the extracted files. Right-click the folder, rename it to something simple like PHP 8.43 and copy it. Now open your C drive. Go to Program Files. Right-click and paste the folder. Click Continue if you get a prompt. Open the folder once it's moved so we can copy its path. Next, go to the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Click Edit the System Environment Variables. Then click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find Path and double-click it. Click New, right-click and paste the path you copied. Click OK on every window to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully installed PHP on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.